Well, what do we got here? The boys bought me an air compressor for my birthday, so we're going to open it and see what's in there. Just cut the top off, see what we've got in here. So once you've got it out of the box, you'll have the main unit, you'll have a handle, a couple of wheels, a bottle of lubricant for the air compressor tank, and some little odds and ends with a couple of nuts, a couple of washers, an Allen key, a couple of bolts for the wheels, and a couple of bolts for the handle. There we go, putting it together. Righto, all put together now. So, what do we got? I think I've just gone through the instruction book. Lovely day outside, still raining. So, it's little 2 horsepower electric motor. We've just topped up the oil, so before, if you do buy one of these, top that up with oil and you'll get a little oil container given to you, but you'll need to make sure the sight glass, where's the sight glass? There we are, is on the red dot, so we'll get it, fill it up to there. From what I can understand, this is fairly simple. You plug it in, there's a, Edward tells me that's auto and it'll keep pumping. There's a pressure regulator dial here. There's 2 hose connectors, one on the back and one on the front there, to the side and the front. That's about it, I think. There's an air pressure relief valve on the bottom to let the air out, and that's about it. So guys, we'll give it a run shortly. I haven't got any tools for it yet, but we'll fire it up and see how it goes once we get some tools. In order to start it, it's just a matter of flicking the switch. So it's just got up to pressure. Give it a squirt, Edward. Cool. Do it in the water so we can see the water. Good. Alright, that works. We'll try out some of the other tools. We just bought a little kit that's got an inflator, air gun. It's got a little small paint sprayer too, although I don't think it's a real high quality paint sprayer, but we'll give this a run.